Welcome back. Today we have another 4-character Chinese idiom. These types of idioms are known as 사자성어, which means 4-character idiom, and most of them originally come from China. But Korea also uses them, so they're important to know. But first I should let you know that these kind of idioms are really just for intermediate Korean learners and above. They're not very beginner friendly. The idiom we'll be learning today is 외유내강. So let's break up this idiom and figure out what it means. First we have 외, which means outside or exterior. The next character is 유 and means weak. So, together, the exterior is weak. The third character, 내, means inside or interior. And the fourth character, 강, means strong. So, weak exterior, strong interior. Or, weak on the outside, but strong on the inside. Now, this idiom is referring to the outside and inside of a person's heart or mind. It means that a person who appears weak on the outside might actually be strong on the inside, and it's used when referring to that kind of person as a compliment. Let's take a look at an example sentence. 우리 회사 사장님은 외유내강이 잘 어울리는 분이다. This sentence literally means our company's boss is someone who matches weak on the outside but strong on the inside. Or for a more natural translation, the boss at my company is someone who seems weak but is really strong on the inside. And I want to say thanks to my Patreon supporters for helping me to make these videos. If you want to help support this channel, check out my Patreon page in the description. And remember that new videos are posted here every week, so if you like what you see, click subscribe. 그럼 다음에 또 봐.